We built a plasma cannon to wreak havoc. Here's how we did it.
All right, we're gonna need a few things to get it working. We're gonna need propane, we're gonna need a long tube, we're also gonna need a nice good wood cutout to hold it, and then we're also gonna need 2 large 5-gallon barrels that are gonna funnel it. So let's get into it.
Yeah, I have very grippy.
All right, so after a small break, we are back. As you can see here, the scar looks great.
All right, so we're at Walmart. We need to get some spray paint.
You want some candy necklace?
No, dude, no.
That was a fake candy.
No, it's real.
You know, I just found that right there. Oh, excuse me? Can you unlock some spray paint for us? Gracias.
Eliminate these 2 holes. Does it matter? Yep. So basically what's gonna happen next is it's gonna go around this, around that, straight to here. Right. Oh.
Dude, this is so awesome.
Should we do the barrel next? We should do the barrel next. Perfect. Don't do it too tight. Do it tight. A little more. Oh boy, I'll hold.
Why are we taping it there?
What do you mean?
This is what it's gonna shoot out of?
Yeah.
I thought it shoots out of that.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, so then. No, it's okay. This just goes in the butt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay.
This is awesome. Yeah, where is it?
Is the gas on? Yeah, it was.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, so we found the correct torch. I mean, it's running big into the bank account, but it's all right.
So I think we go like this.
Oh my so gosh.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh my! So you might be wondering, what am I wearing? Well, I was thinking, if I'm doing this alone, I gotta have protection, and the Shiesty Extraction protection. You gotta protect the face. It's also about 15 to 20 degrees out here. Damn light turned off. I mean, all right, whatever. I don't need the light. I don't need it. When you're doing something like this, you always got to keep in mind, the parents are sleeping. Don't want to wake them up. It's about 12:30. But I was just thinking, right now is the perfect moment to do this.
We do not care.
Give her a whirl. Oh, no, it didn't work. All right, well, that's going. Okay, I'm gonna try pulling this one out. I'm doing this one. Here we go. I'm going to bed.
Decided to give it another try. So it has been snowing for a little while. I hope the rain doesn't really bother it, but
Here we go.
you ready?
Yep.
Oh, I was so not even. You ready?
Yep.
Oh. 3, 2, 1. No. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, it's 55. Go, go.
What did I say? Holy shit! What did I say? Put a hole in it.
Hey guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. We basically ended up building about 5 plasma because various issues. I'll show some on screen right now. And then also just upgrading. But seriously, please leave likes, comments, subscribe, anything to help the channel. And just be ready for the future coming. And just be ready for the content coming in the future, guys.